Well, it's a bit dark just here, and this is in, I don't have a living room as such, but this is in Tango Towers, not kind of a living room. And this is a ham radio set which is coming for repair. We don't do ham radio set repairs. I've always thought that amateurs ought to learn to all do their own, but you know, I've got to come out of silly things like that, and Mr. Chippie said he'd do this. And one of the things it needed was a mic lead, and the other thing was to sort out why there was smoke coming out of the back, which was an electronic fault, which Mr.
Sierra Delta Mike, listening through GB3GR.
I'll just turn the UHF radio off. See whether... Oh. G0OJF receiving.
Yeah, roger that, I just set off.
Excellent. So we're on 145525, that's known as S21. They're kind of channelized in a way. S for simplex, and it's 21.
I might need to QSY, Richard. I'm getting some other users on this channel.
Roger, any reason we can't use 450 over?
Shouldn't be. I can go to that, yeah.
Okay, 450. G0OJF. I think we doubled.
Roger that. Right, I'm just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger on that. Now, am I correct in saying when this is being recorded, are we doing 60 watts over?
Yes, it's on its full power, which is 65 watts.
Okay, that's fine. So instead of it being a kind of a 5 watt test or a 10 watt test, we're doing a 65 watt test. So we're both doing the same power over.
Negative, mine's rated at 50.
Oh, of course it is. You're licensed to 50, sorry.
Yeah, roger that. The radio will only do that anyway.
Yes, that's fine. Sorry. Miles away. Right, so you're at the end of the lane.
30 FKC, now passing the petrol station.
G0OJF received.
30 FKC, now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
G0OJF, roger on that. There's a funny button on this radio next to the mic plug with looks like a funny face on it over.
I thought it looked like a symbol for some atomic structure. No idea what it does, so I won't press it.
It was kind of like the co-op clover leaf as well.
30 KC, now on the top of the hill.
Roger on that. Oh, there's a button on here which says MW. I bet that's medium wave.
Yeah, I reckon you're right. G0OJF from 20 FKC. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford over.
And it's still scratchy even at 50 watts.
Yeah, well, nothing works round there. The DOB radio cuts out and everything.
Absolutely. I think there's only long wave radio 4 on 200 kilohertz stays put.
Yeah, even GR feeders out at that point.
Roger. The radio underneath this is Mr. Chippie's Yaesu FT2800M, which I've been doing Morse with Stuart on. And then underneath that, I'll move the camera. Is my Heathkit. What is it? HW101. Anyway, there we are.
Right, 20 FKC going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
20 FKC now passing the Kelby turn.
G0OJF receiving you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
It's -4 out here if you were wondering.
It's -1.1 just here, but there you go.
It's probably the shadow of the east, so yeah. G0OJF, 20 FK KC, we're now passing a Rosby level crossing. Over.
Okay, Roger, and as usual, the test I can't speak, the test ends at that point. Thank you.
Roger that, I'll go back to Montreal.
Okay, Roger, thank you. G0OGF out.
30 out.
Oh, Stuart, you're not there, are you, Rover? No, he's not earwigging. Okay, well, that obviously works all right. So, that radio's doing 64 watts. Mr. C's radio's doing 50 watts. And you've still got your scratchy parts, you see. But it makes a change, and while we've got a repair in, I thought we may as well do that. So there you are. It's a Yaesu FT2800M, and that belongs to a amateur radio chap who also sends some CBs in for his lorry business. There we go. Thank you for watching.